Alright, this is a little unboxing video. I've just got a package from Covert Instruments and I'm very excited, so let's have a wee look. Let's tip it out. Alright, so we have my address, lovely. So we've got our bump keys. So I've got the full pack of bump keys. So it's got the Schlag KW1, which is the most common one in New Zealand. Quick set. It's an AR, I think, which I don't think we use either of these in New Zealand really. But and then the M1, which is for padlocks. That one there, Y1, not too sure, bigger padlocks maybe. And then the Schlage, however you're going to say it, 5-pin, there's a 6-pin as well. And a bunch of bump key rings, rebound rings, that is cool. This is quite cool, I'm excited for this one. This is the Learn Lock Picking bundle, comes with this, and with this. This is our Covert Instruments practice lock. Comes with the driver pins, spool pins, security pins. Look at this. All sorts of different pins in there. Thank you for focusing there, camera. Plus we've got serrated pins, we've got spool pins, they're all security pins. And then we have our actual lock. Which you can key however you like. That's quite a nice, it's got a really good weight to it. And the fact that it's got the grip around the edges is quite cool too. You can key it however you want and then pick it. You need something to pick it with. See where this comes in. Oh, I forgot all about that. Also ordered the ergo combs. There we go. So it's a 4-pin comb. What have we got? 4, 5 and 6 pins. And those combs, I've never used them before, so so that'll be interesting. I'll give them a whirl later and see what they're like. A lovely Covert Instruments sticker, and I think this is the Genesis set. I may be wrong, but I believe it's the Genesis set. Oh, I need 2 hands to open it. Give me a sec. All right, there we go. Get this wee one open here. Maisie's come to say hello. Hi, Maisie. Alright. It's a nice case. It's lighter than I thought it would be, but it's also stiff, so it feels, you know, like it's really a high quality thing. Apparently it's magnetic. It is indeed. Look at that. That's quite cool. Very cool indeed. Alright, so we've got a quad rake, a quint rake, a medium hook, and a shallow. Oh, sorry, medium hook and shallow hook. And a couple of turning tools. Nice. Alright. So are they 30, 40, and 50 thousandth of an inch, I think. Those are tapered as well, so they'll get into small spaces, no problem. Now, the bit that I'm the most excited for. Here we have the Covert Instruments brand new Grav pick. So let's get it open. I apologise for the terrible one-handed camera work, but there we go. There it is. There's some lovely packaging. The best one-handed packaging though. Oh, the not so grand reveal. Here it is, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, that is nice. You just have to play around with it a little bit to get used to it, but that's so nice. And then with the turning tool in the back as well. That's cool. Awesome. And then that comes attached with the quad rake, quint rake. And then we've got the quad rake and different turning tools in the back there too. Cool. Well, that's my little unboxing video. Thank you for watching.